In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in Pandadoc. Let's walk through the entire process from the moment you receive the document all the way to completing your signature and notifying the sender. I'll explain each step so you know exactly what to expect on your screen. First, go to your email inbox and look for the message inviting you to sign the document. This email is sent automatically through Pandadoc when someone shares a document with you for signing. In that email, you'll see a button that says Open Document. Click that button. It will open the document in your web browser, and you won't need to install anything or log into an account just to sign. Once the document loads in Pandadoc, look toward the top right corner of the page for a button labeled Start. Go ahead and click Start. This is a really helpful shortcut because Pandadoc will jump you straight to the first field you're required to complete instead of you having to scroll around and search manually. When Pandadoc takes you to that first required field, you'll usually see a signature box outlined in a color like red, indicating that your action is needed there. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear giving you options for how you want to create your signature. In this pop-up, you can choose to type, draw, or upload your signature. If you select Type, you simply type your name and Pandadoc will generate a styled signature for you. This is quick and clean and works well if you don't have a saved signature image. If you choose Draw, you can use your mouse or trackpad to hand draw your signature, which can feel a bit more personal. And if you already have a scanned or saved image of your signature, you can use the Upload option to add that file from your computer. Take a moment to pick the option you're most comfortable with, then click Accept and Sign to place your signature onto the document. After your signature is placed, check the top or bottom of the page for a button labeled Finish. When you're ready and you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Finish. This final step securely submits your signed document and automatically notifies the sender that you've completed your part. At this point, you're done, and you can usually download or save a copy for your records if you'd like.